Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Maple theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and you simply need to open Instagram application. Click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation with your any of your friend. Click on your friend name, click on theme, and from here you need to scroll down and here is Maple. So you simply need to click here to select it, and after that this theme will be activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.